Hi, I'm Satish Krishnan. I teach this topic, how financial markets work, in Masters Union. I'm a chartered accountant and cost accountant. However, I moved into financial markets area when I took my first job. That was in a corporate, and that's where the financial markets journey started. It so happens that I joined the large corporate which had very sound treasury, where I had to manage the financial markets risk. Financial markets typically have foreign exchange, interest rates, and commodity and equity risk. I was responsible for risk management. So it was like a very good opportunity for a fresh chartered accountant, and it started there. And I was managing for 4 years. Then I moved to the other side of the table, where I moved to a MNC bank, Standard Chartered, and I was running the financial markets business for them in terms of advising clients on how to manage the currency risk and interest rate risk. So that is how the whole thing started. It's been about 25 years now. I think the beauty of this course, which is structured here, is to bring the academic, the conceptual part, and the practical aspects together. The financial markets are very dynamic, and hence somebody who's been actively practicing it is in a better position to teach the kids. So the students typically learn both aspects of it. I think hats off to Masters Union. The free hand that was given to design the course that could actually be most effective for them really helped to put a lot of innovative areas and innovative ideas into teach them the financial markets part of it. And the course covers various aspects of financial markets and adopts various techniques for them to grasp, understand, and get the feel for taking a job in financial markets area. Someone who wants to be an expert in financial markets, who want to continue his journey in financial markets, could typically join the services industry, which could mean a bank managing the financial markets area of business. It could be consulting business, where you advise the corporates on various M&A, large ticket transactions, currency management, and various risks. If someone chooses not to be in the financial services part of it, they want to be part of a core industry and typically want to be working on as a finance function in any industry. So that is the second part of it. And most importantly, I think the biggest advantage that comes in is like in the fintech area, where that's going to be really a very enriching as well as innovative area to work on. So we cover most part of that in our syllabus, where how to really position yourself on everything which you learn. What is that the fintech can absorb from that, and what are the opportunities that could come out of it, and how to tap them. I think this is one big area which is going to throw up a lot of opportunities, both locally as well as globally. And students are, I think, very, very enthused about it. And bringing the academicians who are very, very well versed, and obviously from a fantastic background, and also the practitioners who have done it day in and day out together, is where the advantages and makes a big difference to the students. The Masters Union Investment Fund, which typically is a brilliant idea to put money on the table and say that learn out of this, is very innovative. And that innovation, obviously, that aspect is something which is very appealing, and the students are very excited about it. The beauty in Masters Union, or the student batch which I've been dealing with now, is they're very bright. Number one, I think that shows the selection process. Number two, there's a fire in there that shows that excitement is very much in place. It is not easy in this era of pandemic that you conduct a course so safely, but ensure that they learn the maximum, while other institutions are still obviously trying to achieve it virtually. I think it's hats off to the Masters Union management and the students as well. It's a brilliant set of people who really let out their thinking capabilities, and it's coming out very well. And I'm here to probably take much more than what they want to give.